Hey, what's up guys, this is Varun here and welcome to Awesome Android Setup. This is episode number 2 and I am going to create minimal colors Nova Launcher setup, which is at the beginning of this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. These are the required apps and files that you need in order to get this setup on your Android device. Before we start this video, can we hit 50 likes on this video? It will definitely motivate me to make more such videos. First, we are going to set the wallpaper. To set the wallpaper, just open the zip file and there you can find the wallpaper file. Just click on it, open it with your gallery and set the wallpaper. Next, we need to restore the Nova backup file. To restore the Nova backup file, go back to the directory where you have extracted all the contents of the zip file. Just click on Nova backup and it will ask you to restore the backup. Just click on OK and the backup will be restored. Then we need to install the icon pack, that is minimal yellow icon pack. Just install the icon pack as you install any other Android app and you are done. And finally, we have to set the widget. To set the widget, just come to the home screen and there just click on the little box. It will take you to KWGT. In KWGT, just click on this top folder like icon and select the directory where you have extracted the zip file and select the KWGT file and click on OK. Once you have done that, just come to export it and there you can find your widget. Just click on the widget. Initially it will not be in the correct size. There you have to go into the settings and adjust its size by clicking on the plus or minus buttons. And once you are satisfied with the size, just click on save and it will be saved. And another thing, when you install this Nova backup file, you will get some icons like this. To fix these icons, just click on them and remove them and replace them with your other icons like phone or camera, like I am doing right here. This setup is very minimal and there is a continuous uniformity of yellow color in this setup which looks very good. That's it for this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Share this with your friends and I hope to see you in my next video.